ito na naman yung repair natin guys, yung flashlight, yung problem niya guys. Ito natanggal yung pinaka charging port niya guys, yung saksakan ng charging niya guys. Bali ano pa ito guys, yung micro type yung charging port niya. So para matibay guys, palitan natin ito, type C. So butasan lang natin dito guys. So yun guys, nabuksan ko na guys. Meron natin dito, set up lang natin itong naka-charging port niya, type C. So yun guys, nabutasan ko na guys. Pasok lang natin dito guys. Yan, ito lang guys. So yun guys, na salpak ko na guys. Yan, maganda na tingnan guys. So hinangin lang natin ito guys. Nagbawas lang ko dito guys kasi bangga yung pinaka-charging ano natin, port. Then guys, nahihinang na natin dito guys. Yan, dito lang yan. Yan na yung connection nya guys. So subukan na natin yung ano guys, i-charge. Ito yun guys, umiilaw na. Yan, ito yun guys, oh. Maganda ito guys, type C na, kahit baliktaran okay siya. So symbol lang natin guys. Yan, symbol lang at ayos na to guys. Thanks for watching guys.